Hey guys, if Amazon Fire is not turning on, then watch this video until the end to find easy and quick solutions for this problem. Here, I have created this table to help you with the simple steps that you can follow to solve this problem. So let's start. Number 1. Remove any case or cover. A case or cover may be the obstruction that is obstructing the power button. So, in case there is a cover on your Fire tablet, remove it. After that, press and hold the power button located here for at least 5 seconds to turn on your tablet. Next, charge your device. The battery may be completely drained. Use the original power cable and adapter. Plug the device into a wall outlet for 30 minutes. Then again, press and hold the power button for 5 seconds to turn it on. Perform a soft reset. The device may be unresponsive due to a software glitch. So you will have to press and hold the power button on your Fire tablet for 40 seconds. Then wait a few seconds. Then press the power button again for 5 seconds to turn it on. Next, check the charging port. Debris or damage in the charging port may prevent charging. Inspect the charging port for dirt or debris. Clean gently using a dry toothbrush or compressed air. Ensure the charging cable is securely connected. Perform a factory reset. Persistent problems in software may require a factory reset. Therefore, you will have to press the power button here and the volume down button simultaneously for about 5 seconds. Then release the buttons when the Amazon logo appears. In your tablet, navigate to wipe data or factory reset and press the power button. However, if still the problem persists, then you must contact Amazon Fire tablet help for further assistance. That's it guys. Thank you.